Who would have thought the world would be so eager for my birth? I remember you, Boer, the god of wisdom, and standing beside you, the traveler.
Is he all-knowing and powerful now, like Greater Lord Rukkhadevata? No, I can't feel the same kind of divinity I felt from the Greater Lord. It seems that the sages didn't get the chance to infuse the divine knowledge capsules into him. But even still, he has undoubtedly become a true god now. So we're too late? The Balladeer has already become a god?
The Balladeer. A long bygone title. When my spirit ascended to divinity, I felt as if I had existed for the same number of epochs as heaven and earth. Looking back, the existence of what once called itself Kunikazushi appears infinitely small and ugly.
This imposing aura, it really feels like a god. A body that capitalizes how much effort and from a purely... You sure are something! But I don't think he's reached the
Strife is engraved upon every god and every gnosis. Can you feel it?
Hito wouldn't feel the same things as...
Do you not realize that you are interrupting a conversation between gods?
The strife engraved upon a gnosis. You're talking about the Archon War, Tevat's current... all those lost...
This is a... No wonder your own people have a... Your judgment is as your existence. Unsubstantial. This is where everything ends, Boer. The god of wisdom. You should know that wisdom cannot solve every problem. Like now, where your only option is to face me in combat. Come! Let us reenact a scene of the Archon War. Come and inaugurate my birth as a god. Insignificant past!
Boba, get them!
Perish!
Nasty temper!
Feeble human!
Closing in! Dancing in the wind! You're toast! Nice and spicy!
My endless cycle begins!
Yeah!
Insignificant past!
Race you! Out of the frying pan!
Take this! Feeble human! Here! At my command, you shall fall! Perish! Insignificant past!
Nice and spiced! Swift as the swallow! Up and away! Yeah!
Churn! My endless cycle begins!
It really hurts!
Insignificant past!
Eat this! Closing in!
Lightning flash! Start!
Churn! At my command, you shall fall! Feeble human!
Boba, get them! Ills be gone!
Mine to wield.
Take this!
Perish! Tremble! Burn to oblivion! Kneel!
Help! Leader is attacking me!
Tremble!
Here!
Reality is pain! This is supposed to be a battle between gods, yet you choose to hide behind a mortal. And now, you're acting like you'd sacrifice yourself for a human. Are you having fun proving a false sense of heroism to yourself, Booer?
The data collection is almost complete. Do you even know how many times you've tried to take my gnosis from me? just concluded the 168th loop. Did you know that in the effort to create you, the people of Sumeru were forced to live through the exact same number of Sub-Zerus festivals and Samsara cycles?
The power of dreams. When did you use it on me? You can't even defeat me in a dream. What do you hope to achieve with this little trick?
Come, Traveler. Just like before. Allow me to awaken the memories in your dreams.
All that battle experience!
It's more than that. Compile everyone's wisdom in the name of the Archon. That is the original function of the Akasha. I've sent everything that happened just now to the people of Sumeru in the form of knowledge. I've asked them to help you find a way to defeat the false god. Now, all of Sumeru's wisdom is at your disposal.
Meaningless tricks won't save you. Are you done with your tricks? Can I finally take this as a real battle between gods?
I'll leave this to you, the first sage of Booer.
I am the all-knowing God! Burn to oblivion! Reality is pain!
Make yourselves
Good
at home.
riddance, cruel world.
I see everything.
Fearless.
Closing in.
Not possible.
Sharing my knowledge.
You're toast!
Into the void.
Bellowing thunder! Take this!
Dancing in the wind. Up and away!
Yeah!
Fearless.
This might hurt a little. Brace you! Boba, get the...
Reality is pain!
Nice and spicy!
Burn to oblivion!
Commit to memory!
Kneel!
Annihilate.
Humans. Filthy humans. No! Wait! Please! Anything but the Gnosis! That's mine! Don't even try! I'll never go back!
We haven't yet found the answer to the most important mystery. Irminsul is still waiting to be saved. With the power of another Gnosis, we may now finally understand the last memory of Greater Lord Rukkhadevata. This is... That's right. This is the last memory of my predecessor. Huh. Yes, that is our destination. Forbidden? Forbidden not then. But I'm a... So, yes, she didn't come the way that ever... I'm just... Did she fight to resist the... She even used her last remnant... Yes, but now we can cross and then... We'll let each of us, even with the... Don't worry.